In this video, I'll answer the question, is Empower really free? You might have heard that Empower helps you track your spending, check your net worth, or even plan for retirement. But is there a catch? Let's get into it. Yes, Empower is completely free to use. No monthly fee, no hidden charges, nothing. You can link all your accounts, checking, savings, credit cards, investments, and see everything in one place at no cost. The budgeting tools, net worth tracker, and retirement planner are all free too. Now, here's the part that trips some people up. Empower also offers investment management services, which do come with fees, but only if you choose to use them. If you're just using the app to track your money, you won't be charged anything at all. No annoying ads, no premium version blocking your view. Just useful tools, completely free. So, if you're looking for a simple way to stay on top of your finances without paying a fee, Empower is definitely worth trying. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick finance tips. See you next time.